What's up guys, this is Pushkaraj Pujari and in today's video we'll be installing and configuring Git. For people who don't know what Git is a free open source distributed version control system, and in future videos we'll talk about it a little more. But for now, let's get started. So this is the official website of Git, and this is one of the best places to find all the resources required to learn and understand Git. Here you can even see that they have given a free book to learn about Git, and I would recommend you to come here and check this website out. So to install Git, you need to start your terminal, and the shortcut for that is Control Alt T. So before we install Git, let us first update the system. So we'll fire the command sudo apt get update. And this can take much longer time on your system than what it just took. It completely depends on how much packages it has to update on your system and what your internet connection is. Now after we have updated the system, we can actually install Git. The command for that is sudo apt get install git core. Now here I have already installed it on my system to try it out earlier. Hence it says it is already installed. But this command should do the installation process on your system. And this command should be enough to install Git on your computer. Now after installation, just to verify if the installation is done correctly, we'll check the version of the Git. We do that by saying git ---- version. Yes, it says Git version 2.17.1. That's correct. Now once we have installed Git, we will now configure it. Now what I mean by configuring it is we will set our username and email to the Git that we have just installed. Now this can be done by saying sudo git configure ---- global user dot name, and in my case my name is Pushkaraj, and press enter. And then to set email, it's very simple. You can just press the upper arrow key, it will bring back the command, and you need to say user dot email your email address. In my case, it's pushkaraj@pujari.me, and press enter. Now to verify if the configuration was done correctly, you could check that by saying git config ---- list and press enter. Here you can see it says the name is equal to Pushkaraj, email equals to pushkaraj@pujari.me. So that's it guys, we have installed and configured Git on Ubuntu 18. And I'll be posting few more videos on Git, on how to use Git and what are the best ways of using it. So if you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe. That's it for today. Namaste.